Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy New Week to us all. How has been our weekend? Yeah, you're welcome. Guys, don't forget, this is another new week and another new Monday. By 2 p.m., we shall be having the broadcasters meeting. Broadcaster meeting is a meeting where all members of the community who are broadcasters, and for as many who wants to learn how to broadcast, come over, come and learn, get educated. More so, by 3 p.m., we shall be having our weekly meeting. Weekly meeting is a global meeting, and we have different languages that you can attend. So, guys, log into your clinical card back office, go straight to meeting, click on it, and join any of the languages that you can. If your language is not there, then go forth and join the English language. It has always been a wonderful and an interesting section where we learn, where we learn, where a lot of information are being passed across. Also by 4 p.m., we shall be having our mass adoption training. Guys, since we've started this mass adoption training over a year ago, it has never been the same. There has never been a meeting that is like each other. No, it is always unique and wonderful. And all thanks to our able and wonderful admin, Chris Kingler. Yeah, he has been doing a wonderful job. Guys, come over to learn. Don't forget, poverty is a mental condition. Hmm. And for you to overcome it, you need to change your mind through right education. So, education is essential. Come over to all these meetings and get educated. Come over to all these meetings and get information. Guys, we need to get informed. Thank you, guys. Looking forward to meeting all these meetings. Don't forget, broadcaster meeting by 2 p.m., weekly meetings by 3 p.m., and mass adoption training by 4 p.m. Looking forward to see you all, guys. Take good care of yourself. Don't forget, like and subscribe to this channel for all regular updates and all informations. God bless you all.